we have some good news again. I was able to move the car back to the shop. Got me a nice little enclosed location. Nice little Ferrari on the wall. You know, hopefully I could beat one of those one day. But yeah, the car is here. Gotta fix this fender issue. But now I can start working on it. I can start fixing up everything outside, work on the inside, clean it up because it looks like crap right now. And be semi-warm, so it definitely will be getting done for springtime. Back to the shop with the welders, everything's here. Got new ride supports. I'm gonna have to modify this to put the intercooler to have it sit exactly how I want it, flush and pretty. Got a few little items right here. So I'm gonna have to test this on to see if it fits the way I want. And if that does, then I can just make the last fuel line and wrap it up. So what else? Got a new valve cover. This one has the bungs in the back. So my boy just blessed me with this, so pretty thankful for that. So now I could just run the lights for the catch can in the back out of the way, make it a little bit more neater. The one I had it in the front. So yeah, put this on, check that, and let's see what's going on outside with the car. Get the light. Where is the light? Where is the light? Where is the light? Right. It's the light. Yeah, gotta bring the dizzy, clean up all those, paint those, and yeah, little by little, guys. So everything here in the making. So this is definitely getting closer and closer to being finished. So more or less that's how it's gonna sit. Hopefully that gives me enough clearance to take care of the fuel rail. Make a new mount for the back, for the rear, and basically bolt the transmission in, make sure everything is fine, and pretty small, short video, so everything is in. It looks good, rolled nicely, no weird noises. This is what ooh, got a little leak right down there. As you can see, the ride support was cut. It was actually hit over there. It was bent. So I'm guessing whoever had it before me did some little crappy repairs. So I'm just gonna clean it up, swap it with a new one. Put a new fresh one on, line up the face, make sure everything's good. And then just start painting the front, clean everything up, get a new intercooler. This one is pretty nice. It's fine, but I just want a little shorter. It's interfering with a few things I want to put on the front, like my one-piece headlights. Yeah, these ones, they're sitting there pretty good, but I had to cut them. So if I get a pair of one-piece, I don't want to cut it. The bumper doesn't fit as good as it should with this intercooler in the placement that it is. So yeah, this is the fuel rail, the AEM that we just picked up. So hopefully whenever I mount that, it'll mount and sit correctly. But yeah, we should be getting some more things going on since we're in here now. But this is the bungs to the front, but let me just switch it to the other one I showed you. It's going to be coming at the back. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on in here, cleaning everything up. Finally put the carpet in, clean all this junk out, paint it, make it look decent. And here's the trunk setup. So yeah, it's a bit messy, so I won't deny that, but once everything is done, just start, beautifying it. So keep watching, guys. We got a lot of good stuff coming now. Seeing that I'm in this place, nice and warm. Still a little chilly, but still better than being outside freezing. I think it's like 35 degrees right now, like a storm coming, so it's pretty cold, but with everything, pretty happy. Just gotta install these. And about like bikes, you got a few bikes around here. Got a few Harleys covered up too, so got a nice little man cave going. Till next time, y'all, keep watching. We got a lot of good stuff coming. So keep watching, y'all.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.